This is a run through of all the ML integrated features in the Social Specialist's IT infrastructure, particularly in the Sunflow ERP system, but also in other various systems when it pertains to data quality management. Uh, Sunflow is Social Specialist's central ERP anchor. This is the system that anchors all other systems to it in Social Specialist's IT infrastructure. Several major implementations have been made to improve the data quality of this system. As you can see, for example, um, more intuitive UX measures have been taken place to showcase to end users when data quality is missing, as we can see here in important fields. There are also KPI metrics that measure this that we will also visit in more detail. In terms of direct ML implementation, there is in this test demo environment. All this data in this video will be demo data. In this demo environment, what we have included is in the project entity itself, in the progress management view, the system now displays a regression model, SVR regression model based estimate of remaining time. These estimates are performing under the human entry baseline, algorithmic baseline, as can be seen here, but major improvements have been made due to the measures taken that will be discussed in this video to improve data quality, and the expectation is with further data maturity time and tuning these these numbers, suggested numbers, will improve significantly, potentially beyond human predictability. They have been incorporated into the UI directly to test and ascertain UX measures, because UX measures have a great impact in eventual usability despite technical implementations. Part of these UX measures is, again, visualizations of missing data in different fields, as can be seen here and here. Now, to improve the target data being reported time, as can be seen here based on different activities, a separate ML classification measures have been implemented. When it comes to the target estimated remaining time, the key data is the reported time, as can be seen, and is collected from the timesheet data reported by different actors within the system. Now, a ML measure that has been implemented is to auto-classify using a NLP BERT classifier, open and certain fallback activity categories into potentially better activities. Because how this functions is that our system is GPS bound. When users are outside for various reasons, the GPS mechanism, they tend to report hours into less categorizable or less defined activity categories, such as unbiddable, but they are mandated to report a comment associated to give reason and explain the reason for this fallback activities. Now, the activity of properly categorizing these activities is labor intensive, but all activities go through a approval mechanism by project managers. Thus, integrated directly into this approval mechanism as part of a UX measure, a top K classification suggestion is provided with very high, or above 95% accuracy rate of at least one correct option to move very easily the activity from the suggestion to the correct activity, as can be done so correctly. Yes. It may be a backend issue, but when selected, this activity generally tends to move to the correct activity. Now, this improves the granularity of the target data and ensures better trainability in the future data, particularly for the main AI suggestions shown in the previous window, as can be seen here. Now, to continue ongoing tracking and measurement of data quality across all vectors, several dashboards have been created to measure uh, particularly the target data and how it changes over time. And there are specific KPI metrics put in place to measure, as you can see in here, the data entry rate and thus the reliability or volume of data in the different systems. These key features, as are marked here, showcase that there are missing data, key and critical data in various sections of the project entity, as can be seen here. This is aggregated and scored in this system here that allows for operational staff to measure, manage, and contribute to the ongoing task of data improvement. These have been incorporated into a Power BI window as well to show as a core metric if a project is on track, with data quality as a critical measure here, which is now currently not up to the standard 90% as is expected, but this allows this visibility to happen, as well as other data points and data metrics being visible through these dashboards that allow operational staff to measure and ascertain that data is not at a state that is expected, and being able to make actionable steps out of it. This allows ML data quality mandates and measures to be incorporated directly into operational measures and operational self-interest, which through literature review has shown that has much greater possibility and probability of success factor than raw technical requirements.